Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about part 2 of conditional statements. Part 1 video already I made. If anyone not gone through that, please watch that video first and come back to here. So already I discussed in part 1 if statement, if else statement, if else if statements. Now part 2 nested if statement. A nested if statement in C is an if statement inside another statement. If statement inside another if statement will be there. This allows you to check multiple conditions in a hierarchical manner where one condition leads to another. For example, this is syntax. If condition 1 is true, okay, if condition 1 is true, true body will be executed. If it is false, again in if another if condition I provided, and here again if condition will be checked. So here if condition checking in condition 1, again if it is false, again I am checking if another if. Okay, if inside the if another if will be there, else, and this else part is for this if statement, this else part is for this if statement. Okay, let me explain through an example. So I'm taking variable number as an integer, assign 8 value to the number. If number is greater than 0, printf number is positive because number is 8. No, 8 is greater than 0, so printf number is positive will be display as output. So if number is divided by 2 equal to 0 because number is 8, division means is the modulo. So here's remainder will get 0. 8 by 2 means 2 for the 8, remainder 0. Then it will print number is even. Okay, so else part will not be printed here. Okay, so if above statements are false, okay, na, next number is non-positive will be printed as output. Okay, na, look at here. Number I assign 8 to the number. 8 is greater than 0, true. It is printing as output. Again, another if condition. So 8 is modulo 8 modulo 2 equal to 0 because when you divide 8 with the 2, you will get remainder 0 because 2 for the 8, remainder 0. Hence, so this will be also printed as output. Else, so if else means if the condition is false, this part will be executed. If the condition is false, so directly this part will be executed. Okay. Okay, let me discuss about this output of this. Okay, this is a nested if. Okay, see here. So hash include stdio.h into main number I variable I have taken as a 10 here. If the number is greater than 0, because 10 is greater than 0, so this will be printed as output. Okay. If the number is true only, again is going to check another condition will be there. 8 modulo 2 is equal to 0. It is also true. This so number even is printed on the screen. So if it is false, okay, na, if it is false, so this one will be printed as output. But here in this condition it is true. That's why it is displaying as my output. So if the condition is false here, right? So second else part will be displayed as output. So this is a else. So if it is false, this one will be printed as output. If it is true, again another if it goes to another if condition, another condition checking here. If it is true, this true body will be executed. If it is false, so this else body will be executed. If it is false, so this body will be executed. Okay, so this is my output. Let me compile and run. So look at here, I told you already. So number is positive and number is even. These two will be displayed as my output. Okay, now. So this number is even and okay. So this will be printed as my output. Okay, I'm saying I'm verifying. Okay, look at here. So number is greater than 0 because the number equal 10 we have taken. 10 is greater than 0. So this will be printed as output. Again, so this is the number is positive. And 10 is divided by 2 equal to 0. Yes, you will get remainder 0. Hence, we are getting number is even. Thus, we are getting number is even. Okay. Next. So this is about nested if. Again switch. The switch statement is used when you want to compare a variable against multiple constant values. It's an alternative using multi else if statements. Okay, look at here. Switch expression. This is a syntax. Okay, na? So then constant value, then code break, and so if the condition is true, entering into the body of this, if it is entered into the body, it will come out with the break statement. I explain through an example. Look at here. So example. So day as an integer I have taken, assign the value to. Okay, na? Right. In place of day, 2 will be replaced here. Switch off 2. So you coming here. So switch is a key statement, predefined keyword, and case 1. So it compared with the day 2 because day I assigned as a 2. So this one is compared with the 2. So it is not true. Hence it is not entering into the loop. Again I'm checking the case 2. So this day is number 2. So this 2 is compared with the case 2. Hence it is entering into the loop. So this Tuesday will be printed as my output because it is entered into the case. So it has to come out through this case with the help of the break. So it will come out. So if case 3, so because already 3 is not there actually because I assigned 2. So this will not be, this is false, it won't enter into the loop. Then break statement. So if it's entered into the loop, then only it will come out with the help of the break. If it is not entered into the loop, so we don't want, so break will not be executed. So if above 3 cases are false, by default invalid day will be printed as output. Okay. So this I will check with the code. Switch statement. So main int day equal to 2. So day will be replaced by 2 because I assigned the day value is 2. So this 2 is compared with the 1. Okay, the case is always followed by the colon. If the colon is not there, it can be come as error. So if this 2 is day is 2, no, 2 is compared with the 1. So it is false. That's why it is not entering into the loop. Okay, and then again go to the next case because day is equal to assign 2. So now 2 and 2, this 2 will be matches. Now it will enter into the loop and enter into the body and display as Tuesday as output. Because it is entered into the loop, because this condition is true, it will come out from this loop by using the break statement. And because already this statement is true, it won't check any other statements because already it is the condition is true now. Here it won't enter into the loop. Okay, na? So I will explain this with the code. Yeah, I execute this, compile and run. So I got Tuesday as my output. Yeah, look at here. Right. So here day equal to assigned day I declared an integer and assigned two value to this, and day will be replaced by 2. Now this case 1 is false, it is not entering into the loop. So case 2 will be satisfied. Okay. So this is 2 and these 2 matches, hence it is entering into the loop and print the value is Tuesday as my output. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video.